Hey there, Dr. Mason. This is Travis Shields. I called your office the other day offering a free website audit and competitor analysis. So I'm going to show you three things you can fix on your website really easily so you can start beating Andrew Green down here. Because if you type in Bay City Dentist, they show up right on top and you can take the #1 spot really easily. You're probably wondering why I would make this video for you. It's really simple. A while ago, I found out that owners are too busy running their business and taking care of patients that they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring someone to help them is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was giving out these free audits and attack plans. Some people take this information and do it themselves. Some call me back. Whatever you want to do, it's totally okay with me. My only goal is to help you, give you some education, and give you some advice. So I'm going to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google mostly cares about is content. So that's all the words on your page here. The more you have, the better. The average website on the front page of Google has roughly 1,500 words of content. So that's where you really want to start. So if I select and copy all the content on your page, and I put it in a word counter here, it shows that you have 721 words. And if I do the same thing with Andrew Green, it shows that he has 900 words. So he's beating you a little bit there, and Google really powers people who has relevant, good content. It also gives you opportunity to fit in some keywords, such as, like we said, Bay City Dentist, which is what he's ranking first for. The more you have that inside your content, the more it's going to help Google rank you for that. Keep in mind, you should only have one keyword for every 150 words of content. You can also save your images as keywords. So for example, if we go down here, see if you have any pictures. I'm sure you have some pictures in here somewhere. You can save them as keywords like Bay City Dentist, and that will also help you rank. So that's my first tip for you. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. So this is really important because Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website by linking to you. Keep in mind, they want to see relevant sites, which means you're going to get a lot more power having other healthcare related websites linking to you. The tool that I use is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free tools out there. But if we go take a look at their referring domains or where they're getting their backlinks from, it's really easy to beat them. So if Google thinks the competitors' backlinks are good enough to rank them first, then they're good enough to rank you too. So all I would do is I would go visit the websites that are linking back to them right here, and I get those same exact websites linking back to you. A lot of times you just have to create an account or contact them to find a way to put a link on that site. Some are free and some cost money. If you put links from these exact websites to your page like they did, plus you beat them by having more content, that's how you take the #1 spot from them. So I'm going to give you one more quick tip, and that's how to show up here in the map pack. So this is the map pack here. Showing up here is where the most traffic and calls come from, because it's just super easy to click and call from here. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yext, or Yellow Pages. So what I would do if I were you, I would find out how many citations your top competitor has. So it'll be West Bay Dental right here. And if they're in 100 directories, I'd put myself in 200 directories. That's all I got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content with buyer intent keywords. Copy your competitors' backlinks and then add a few more to beat them. And then put your name, address, and phone number and double the amount of directories your competitor has. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you take that #1 spot all across Google. What do you do now? You can either take this information and apply it yourself. If you want someone else to do this for you, or you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You can give me a call at 989-200-4955, or you can send me back an email. I'd be happy to help you out. Either way, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and have a great rest of your day.